In their paper titled Enhancing Women's Income and Household Nutrition Through Training in Small-Scale Fisheries Value Chains in Sub-Saharan Africa, Dr. Emmanuel Orkoh and his co-author, Assem Hatab, examine how training programs in the fisheries sector can improve women's income, household food security, and dietary quality across Sub-Saharan Africa. The study was motivated by the highly gendered nature of the fisheries sector in the region. Men are predominantly involved in fish harvesting and offshore fishing activities, while women are mainly concentrated in post-harvest activities such as fish processing, trading, marketing, and distribution. Despite women's active participation in the sector, their contributions remain largely underestimated and under-recognized. Against this backdrop, researchers sought to understand how empowering women through training and capacity building programs can improve household livelihoods and nutrition outcomes. Existing literature shows that although women often earn less than men, they spend a greater share of their income on food and household welfare. This raised an important question. If fisheries are a major source of livelihood for women, how can training improve their productivity and translate into better food security and dietary quality? To address this gap, the study examined the impact of nutrition and dietary quality training programs on women engaged in small-scale fisheries across 4 countries: Ghana, Malawi, Sierra Leone, and Tanzania. The research focused on 3 key outcomes: women's income, household food security, and dietary quality. The study also explored 2 important pathways through which training can influence these outcomes. The first pathway examined how training improves household fish consumption by increasing women's knowledge of nutrition and dietary quality. This contributes to improved food security and better household nutrition. The second pathway focused on income generation. The researchers found that training improves women's productivity and participation in fisheries-related activities, leading to increased income. Higher income then enables households to purchase additional nutritious food items, improving dietary diversity and overall household nutrition. The data for the study was obtained from a food and agriculture organization project titled Empowering Women in Small-Scale Fisheries, financially supported by the Nigerian Agency for Development Cooperation, also known as NORAD. The baseline survey was conducted in 2021, and the analysis focused on Ghana, Malawi, Sierra Leone, and Tanzania. The findings highlighted the significant contribution of the fisheries sector within these countries. The sector contributes substantially to employment, livelihoods, and national economies, while women remain heavily involved in fisheries value chains, particularly in fish processing, marketing, and trading activities. Using a theory of change framework, the researchers demonstrated how training women can lead to improved fishing practices, better processing and storage methods, reduced post-harvest losses, and improved fish marketing. These improvements contribute to increased fish-related income and better access to nutritious food, ultimately enhancing household food security